Day 2. So yesterday I washed my bike and these tire stains, they both came out. It's grease stained and I told them to wash it thoroughly, but they said it's not gonna came out from washing. So they said it might be coming out from using diesel, but I didn't want to use diesel. So as you know, I have earlier reviewed this product. It's HTP's heavy duty brake part cleaner, and as you can see, if you can spray it over here, the dirt will come out easily, as you can see. There are in between the alloys, but this product is almost empty, so I have to buy a new one. So after that, this will get all removed. It still work. You can see it's good as new. As you can see, this thing works as a charm. It's all cleaned up. This thing has been bothering me from past 3-4 months, and I also used diesel, but that didn't work much for me. As you can see, there are still some parts, but most of it was here, and it's all cleaned up. And before cleaning this, make sure to wear something, gloves or etc., because the chain, your hand will get keeping sticking to this chain, and you will end up getting all this. So the product works good on tire. Till then, peace.